Mm. Yeah, see close. Yeah, and the sun gonna rise right there. You know we do it. Yeah man. So sunrise boss do it. Stand up in my room and look through my window, you see it. Wait for the sun to rise. Yeah man. For real. Just make sure you watch the full video, okay? Yeah man. Right now I'm in bed, I sit down on you see it. Yeah man. The bed I sit down on with a big head. Yeah man, see it there. That my fans them ask for, you know. Yeah man. Sun there rise now. Can't say sunrise no go no the full clip. Yeah. See it? Yeah man. Don't know what's a sunrise boss do it though. Yeah man. For real. Yeah man. Cat brothers every morning taking the sunrise to you, see it? Yeah man, just a blessing, you see it? Yeah. You see the time. Yeah man, you see the time, our time, you know. Yeah man. You see it again? Yeah man, 3 minutes or 6 in the morning. Talking about 8 you see it? Yeah man. Just like, share and comment and subscribe each other. Just amazing if you see it, look on it, but when you go film it, you not go really, you know what I mean, the right film of them, you know what I mean. Otherwise, so I go on there. Yeah man. Yeah man, that is the island. Big up yourself, Simon. You're the man, you see it. See the island there, Simon. That showing you, see it. Yeah man, I hit that. I don't know in the early morning at the same time. Have some plantain porridge or bubble. That's a sunrise boss deal with it, you see it. Yeah man. So just like, share and comment and subscribe. And anytime you're ready, you can come link up with Jamaican Sunrise TV. Yeah, there you see it. Yeah man. Big man level, I say things it. Yeah man. When I ask for it, when I get it. I say things said. When I ask and I will provide it for you. One love. You see it. Don't know my general. Yeah man. For real. Yeah man. 45. You ever in our camera, you know. What have today? You got tour. Yeah man, good morning boss. Yeah man. Yo, one love, you know, at them time there. You see it.